Welcome to 1133 14th Street Northwest, the Alta Condominiums. We're looking at Unit 302, a 1-bedroom, 1-bath for $425,000. It's an open floor plan with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, ceramic floors throughout. A lot of natural light coming from the floor-to-ceiling windows. Facing 14th Street. One of the unique features of this unit is the partition, which is supposed to separate the bedroom from the rest of the space. It's a loft style design from 2006. The best feature of the Alta Condominiums is its green rooftop. It is the first LEED certified residential building, and it has a beautiful view overlooking Thomas Circle.